the breaking update that is coming in at the moment, viewers. The survivor's chilling testimony: gang raped, humiliated and then terrorized. As per the survivor, the nightmare lasted at least 3 hours. She's also gone on to detail the tales of horror that she had to go through. She's said she was asked to prove her loyalty. She was forcefully taken to the guard room where she was blackmailed and threatened. In fact, the accused also said they will kill her boyfriend. They were recording videos while raping me, is what the rape survivor has said. Accused threatened to spread those videos which they have recorded. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the horrific truth, horrific facts coming out of West Bengal today. A 3-hour chilling nightmare that now, of course, serves as a chilling testimony of the rape survivor. My colleague Ridhita has been tracking the developments in this case. The investigations continue even as protests have overtaken the city. Ridhita, you have been covering the investigation into this case. 3 accused have been sent into custody. There are also protests happening simultaneously in the city. What's the latest that you're picking up?
At this moment, as Kolkata has stirred back with protests after RG Kar, again a chilling event has happened in the heart of Kolkata, where in one of the most prominent colleges situated in South Kolkata, not a very isolated area, not something very inside somewhere, but in the heart of Kolkata, absolutely near the main road where this event has happened, and it has again shook the floor, shook the roads in Kolkata, and now people have come back and protest, where various opposition from DYFI, SFI, Congress, BJP has been protesting through the day in the Kausbah police station near the area. They have been seeking for one thing, that even after RG Kar, was the government not aware enough that they did not take care of the security? How many more girls has to be sacrificed in this country for the government to get up from their slumber? That is a major question that is coming up, along with the political inclination that you see of this primary accused Monojit Mishra, who is also a youth wing president of this very college that this rape has happened in the law college. So as we understand now that even after so many incidents, even after a breathtaking incident like RG Kar, there are events which is happening, and it is now from the parties, it is just under the nose of Mamata Banerjee that you see a person who is related so closely to the party conducted something so horrific, so disgusting like this. At this moment, standing at the spot, we understand that the police has again come to the very spot, cordoned off the area, and also the CCTV footage, the CCTV cameras are now taken into consideration. Footages will be checked by the forensic department. The detective department has also come in at this spot. More forces from the Kausbah police station area has come in. From the Kausbah police station has been deployed here at the very college. So that is what the latest that we speak of, along with the details that we have gathered, that this 3 main accused, Monojit Mishra, along with the 2 current students, Zeb Ahmed and Pritam Mukhopadhyay, has been sent for police custody till 1st of July, along with their phones, tablets and other gadgets being seized, as they had threatened this girl, stating that while she was raped, her video was made, and this video will be surfaced if she speaks if she speaks out. And therefore all these documents on the phones everywhere that she was connected through, the videos were made through, has been seized by the Kolkata police as of now. Back to you.
Absolutely, Ridhita. Even as the police investigates this entire case, these are chilling details that have been coming in. Let's also tell you, viewers, what all the survivor has said in this absolutely chilling testimony. She's also gone on to say that, the 2 accused watched as I was raped. Remember, we've been telling you that the accused said they will be recording videos and they will be spreading those videos along. Also saying, I fought for my life as the accused raped me.